The wonders of earthworms' nature. Earthworms, those unassuming creatures that wriggle through the soil, play an essential role in our ecosystems and even impact our daily lives more than we might realize. Earthworms, classified under the phylum Annelida, are terrestrial invertebrates known for their long, cylindrical bodies. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Earthworms are nature's soil engineers. They consume organic matter, such as dead leaves, and turn it into nutrient-rich castings. These castings improve soil structure, aeration, and water retention, making them a boon for agriculture. As earthworms burrow through the soil, they create channels that allow air to penetrate deeper. This soil aeration benefits plant roots and soil microorganisms by ensuring a constant supply of oxygen. Earthworms aid in nutrient cycling by breaking down complex organic materials into simpler forms that plants can absorb. This natural fertilization enhances plant growth. These underground engineers also benefit other organisms. Their burrowing activities create habitats for beneficial microorganisms and small invertebrates. Earthworms are sensitive to changes in their environment, making them valuable bioindicators. Their presence or absence can signal the health of a particular ecosystem. While earthworms are beneficial in their native habitats, introduced earthworm species can disrupt ecosystems, particularly in North America, where native earthworms were absent due to glaciation. Earthworms exhibit intriguing behaviors, such as thigmotaxis, movement in response to touch, geotaxis, movement in response to gravity, and even mating rituals involving mucus-covered dance. These humble creatures have found their way into folklore and proverbs, often symbolizing industriousness and the importance of working together. Earthworms are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs, as they belong to the Animalia kingdom. Earthworms do not have eyes, ears, or teeth. The largest earthworm ever recorded was 22 feet long. Earthworms can live for several years, with some species reaching up to 8 years. There are over 7,000 species of earthworms worldwide. They are commonly found in soil and are essential for soil health. Earthworms can regenerate lost segments of their bodies. They have a slimy, mucus-covered skin that helps them move through soil. Earthworms are cold-blooded, and their body temperature is similar to their environment. They can eat their own weight in soil and organic matter each day. Earthworms aerate the soil by creating tunnels, which improves soil structure. They consume dead plant material, decomposing it and returning nutrients to the soil. Earthworms are sensitive to light and will retreat underground when exposed to it. They have tiny bristle-like structures called setae on their bodies for movement. Earthworms can sense vibrations in the soil, helping them detect predators. They play a vital role in nutrient cycling within ecosystems. During mating, earthworms exchange sperm packets, which are stored for later fertilization. Baby earthworms hatch from cocoons produced by adults. Earthworms are a food source for many animals, including birds, moles, and beetles. Some cultures use earthworms as a traditional medicine for various ailments. They respire through their skin, absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Earthworms can drown if the soil becomes waterlogged, depriving them of oxygen. Earthworms are most active during the night or on cloudy, damp days. Their digestive system includes a muscular gizzard that grinds food. Earthworms help break down pollutants in the soil, contributing to cleaner environments. They can survive extreme conditions, such as freezing temperatures, by going dormant. Earthworms are sensitive to changes in pH levels and prefer neutral to slightly acidic soils. They are known as ecosystem engineers because of their profound impact on soil health. Earthworms produce castings, which are nutrient-rich waste materials, enhancing soil fertility. In 1 acre of land, there can be more than 1 million earthworms. Earthworms are native to Europe but have spread worldwide due to human activities. They are detritivores, primarily feeding on decaying organic matter. Earthworms can crawl backward as well as forward. The earthworm's brain is very simple, consisting of only a few nerve cells. Earthworms have an incredible ability to tunnel through compacted soil. They have a strong, muscular body that helps them move through the ground. Earthworms can sense changes in temperature and humidity. They can excrete excess calcium from their bodies, preventing the formation of kidney stones. Earthworms play a crucial role in improving soil's water-holding capacity. Their burrows allow rainwater to penetrate the soil, reducing surface runoff. Earthworms can sense chemical cues from predators and respond by hiding. They prefer organic-rich soils with plenty of decaying material to feed on. Earthworms have a unique, ring-like structure called a clitellum near their heads. The clitellum secretes a mucus ring during reproduction, forming the cocoon. Earthworms can stretch and contract their bodies, enabling them to move smoothly. They can detect the vibrations of nearby earthworms and communicate through touch. Earthworms have no vocal cords, so they cannot produce sound. They are commonly used as bait for fishing due to their appealing scent to fish. Earthworms can burrow several feet below the surface to escape harsh conditions. They are sensitive to changes in soil acidity, which can affect their health. Earthworms are highly adaptable and can thrive in various soil types. They are more active in warm, moist soil conditions. Earthworms excrete excess calcium carbonate, which can help buffer acidic soils. Some earthworm species are luminescent and can produce a faint glow. Earthworms lack a circulatory system and rely on diffusion for oxygen transport. They have tiny bristles on their undersides that anchor them in their burrows. Earthworms can consume pathogens, helping to reduce disease in soil. Their tunnels can extend for several feet below the ground's surface. Earthworms have a chemoreceptive sense that helps them locate food. They can crawl up vertical surfaces using their strong muscles. Earthworms are often used in composting to break down organic matter. They are sensitive to vibrations caused by heavy machinery and may flee from them. Earthworms are sometimes called nature's plow because of their soil-turning abilities. They produce a mucus coating that helps protect their skin from abrasions. Earthworms can reproduce both sexually and asexually, depending on the species. Their waste products enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Earthworms are an indicator species for soil health. Their presence indicates fertile soil. They are commonly used in vermiculture, a sustainable method of waste management. Earthworms are highly adaptable to changes in their environment. They can squeeze through tight spaces due to their flexible bodies. Earthworms have a voracious appetite for organic matter. They can quickly recover from injuries, including losing segments of their bodies. Earthworms have a natural anticoagulant in their bodies, preventing blood clotting. Some species of earthworms are luminescent and can produce a faint glow. They are beneficial in orchards and vineyards, helping to improve soil quality. Earthworms are known to consume pesticides and detoxify contaminated soil. They are used in scientific research to study soil ecosystems and behavior. Earthworms can move through the soil at a rate of a few inches per minute. They have been used in traditional medicine in some cultures for various ailments. Earthworms can detect changes in atmospheric pressure and respond to them. They have tiny chemoreceptors on their heads that help them locate food. Earthworms play a critical role in maintaining the balance of soil microorganisms. They have a natural resistance to many soil-borne diseases. Earthworms require moisture to stay hydrated and healthy. They can sense changes in light levels and will retreat underground if exposed. Earthworms have a protective layer of mucus on their skin. Their castings, or waste products, are highly valued by gardeners and farmers. Earthworms are excellent indicators of soil compaction. Their absence may signal problems. They can detect changes in soil acidity, which can affect their feeding behavior. Earthworms are integral to forest ecosystems, contributing to nutrient cycling. Some species of earthworms can reproduce by fragmentation, creating new individuals. They have been introduced to new regions for soil improvement and fishing bait. Earthworms have been used in studies on soil pollution and remediation. They prefer loose, friable soil that is easy to tunnel through. Earthworms are environmentally friendly and contribute to sustainable agriculture. They are capable of performing beneficial ecosystem services, such as soil aeration. Earthworms are essential for the decomposition of organic matter in forests. They are a symbol of soil health and vitality, playing a vital role in ecosystems. Earthworms are part of a complex food web. They serve as a food source for birds, mammals, and even some insects, contributing to the balance of ecosystems. Earthworms in the natural world, tirelessly working beneath our feet to maintain healthy soils and ecosystems.